Once upon a time, the pound sterling traces its origins back more than 1,000 years. The currency name derives from the Latin poundus, meaning weight, and the yak symbol from the ornate L of Libra. In medieval England, £1 sterling represented a pound weight of silver, making it a strong unit of value in its era. As the British Empire expanded, sterling became a dominant global currency, used in trade, colonization, shipping, and finance. And then it became challenged. Despite its venerable position, sterling's global preeminence was challenged in the 20th century. After World War II, the world gradually turned to the US dollar as the primary reserve and trading currency. Britain left the gold standard in 1931 and thereafter faced devaluations, e.g. in 1949, 1967, and economic headwinds. So although the pound retained a higher nominal value than the dollar for most of recent decades, it no longer commanded the same global currency role. But despite, it remains strong. Here are 5 reasons why the British pound remains relatively strong today, even though it is no longer the world's dominant currency. 1. Historical legacy and trust. The pound is one of the oldest currencies still in use and enjoys brand value and trust in global finance. Robust financial centre and institutions. The UK continues to host major financial markets, London, and the Bank of England, BOE, has a track record of stable monetary policy. 3. Relative economic and policy stability. Although Britain faces challenges, markets often view UK assets, gilts, currency, as comparatively safe, supporting demand. 4. Higher nominal value and interest rate dynamics. The nominal value of £1 remains higher than $1, and interest rate expectations and inflation control help support its value. 5. Global reserve and trade usage. Sterling remains one of the world's leading reserve currencies and is still used in international trade and investment. What this means for today, in practical terms for you as an investor, banker, and global-minded individual, the strength of the pound means holding or monitoring GBP-denominated assets may offer diversification benefits in currency risk relative to solely exposure to the dollar. Given its stable institutional backing, sterling may act as a resilient currency during global shocks, though not immune. The nominal strength of the pound should not be conflated with overall economic dominance. The UK economy is smaller than the US, and the dollar remains preeminent for global reserves and trade settlement. And so, the story continues.